I watch Suits. I tell Jay, you've got to watch Suits. It's the best ever. Yes, it's from 2012. Yes, it's with Meghan Markle, who's now married to Prince Harry. Yes, but it's about it's about being a lawyer and a corporate lawyer in downtown Manhattan. And I wanted Jay to watch it mostly just to see do they take a lot of and Jay, you've told me that they do take a lot of legal liberties, and there's a lot of really, really not procedurally correct things that they do.
For sure.
But for TV, to quicken the pace. Like I see in this damn Suits, they have more in-chamber meetings than I've ever seen in my entire life. Like I don't think there's that many in-chamber meetings.
Well, you've seen them all, and the thing is they're all with both lawyers. You're never alone. It's called an ex parte communication. You're not allowed to get into the judge's chambers and talk about your case. That right there is the judge would get disbarred. Everyone would get disbarred. That's like the biggest no-no, and they do it every episode.
All right, so
other than that, it's good.
So you're kind of Harvey Specter, and Dan. Who's Dan? Who's Dan? We got Brian Matroni as Louis Litt. We got Steven as Jessica. Who do we? Was Rob like kind of Harvey Specter or no?
100%.
Yeah.
Rob Adams was 100%.
Although Rob Adams is far better looking than Harvey Specter, Rob Adams was kind of shot out of a cannon like Harvey Specter. I mean, not Harvey. I'm sorry, Louis Lips.
Absolutely. Rob Adams would, not only abuse people in court, but out of court. If they ever said something to him, it was brutal. I couldn't imagine.
Big dude.
He's huge. He's 6'5".
All right. So anyway, Jay, his new girl who's doing his social media for him, put together this little video. Yeah. I watched it last week. It's pretty funny. It's the day in the life of a Tampa personal injury attorney. It's kind of Jay's new girl that's doing his social media, and this is an Instagram deal.
Yeah, she's awesome. She's working out of Madrid, Spain. She knew one of Rob Adams' sons. Girlfriend, went to college with him, and so she does all this remotely. So she said, just give me a bunch of clips of you in a day in the life, and this is what she came up with. It's got 30,000 views.
And let me guess what music she uses.
The Suits theme song.
The Suits theme song.
Bubba, I'm sure Seth's going to be happy about this, but they're doing a Suits spinoff that's going to be later this year.
Oh man! Okay,
Suits LA.
Tell me who's.
I have no idea.
Oh, instead of it being out of Manhattan, now they're all in LA.
Actors.
Yeah, out of LA.
Do they have any information as to who the players are?
No, I don't know. I have no idea. I just saw that they announced it.
Can you research it a little bit more?
Yes, sir.
And when you give that juicy of a morsel, that you have a little more information for it.
Yes.
Well, they're out to DiCaprio, Bubba, so I think they're just waiting for if he's going to pass on it or not, and then I think they'll go to the next person down, and the next person down. So I mean, this is going to be a big thing. I got to catch up on all 19 seasons before the new one drops.
How do I? I gotta start it from the very, very top. Let me.
There you go.
It's a good song. That's the thing. What I've learned is the clips are really dependent on the music.
Hold on, be quiet. I'm analyzing, so I give you my report card. Take a mental note. I like it. Only one observation is I think she should have made the font a little bit bigger and maybe in yellow.
I agree with that.
Like if you look at some of our shorts,
yep.
We have them in yellow, and
it's hard to read,
and it's easier to read. This is hard to read.
Yep.
And the font needs to be one step up.
It could be all caps even.
And even all caps. But I mean, love the concept. It still resonates. Even if it was in yellow and slowed down, it would still resonate. It resonates now just as good as it would be then. I like it.